Today I'm going to show you how to use a color contrast analyzer to ensure that online learning presentations are accessible to learners by following the WCAG guidelines for web accessibility. Accessibility guidelines require the text to have a contrast ratio of 4.5 to 1. There are a few exceptions to that, and that would be large text that's at least 18 points or 14-point bold. That only needs to have a 3 to 1 contrast ratio. Also, incidental text that is just pure decoration and not significant to the content does not need to meet the requirement, and logos also do not need to meet the requirement. The tool I'm going to show you today is the Color Contrast Analyzer by TPGI. You can download this tool for free at tpgi.com. I will also include a link in the description. The Color Contrast Analyzer will check the foreground and the background colors and indicate if they pass minimum accessibility standards. I can click on the dropper for the foreground color and then hover over my text color, and then I can do the same for the background. So you can see here it gives you a picture of your foreground and background colors, so you can make sure that you highlighted the right colors and their values. It also shows you your results as far as the contrast ratio. So this ratio has a contrast ratio of 5.9 to 1. This passes. So it shows that it passes the regular text and the large text requirements for color contrast. So here's another example of text and background that we can check. So I'm going to highlight my text color right here and my background color. So this one you can see fails. The contrast is 2.7 to 1, so that fails the regular text and the large text contrast ratio. Another nice feature with this is you can manipulate your colors to try to get them to increase the contrast. So if I move this, I can move it so now it passes large text and keep changing it to get it to pass both regular text and large text for the contrast ratio. So I've kept it to a similar color but increased the contrast. I hope this video was helpful in helping you be more accessible in your colors, and we'll see you in the next video.